Why are you so slouchy? I've had a long day. Was the bakery busy? Very. I had to make so many baked goods. I mean, it was great for business, but it was so much work for me. Yeah, that is a lot of work. Hey, I just got a text message and it says that Mr. JC wants us to watch his two birds. What? Do you guys remember what happened when that other neighbor asked us to watch her mouse? It did not end well, and I don't think this will either. Maybe we'll improve from last time. It's worth a shot, so might as well. Yeah. Alright, I'll tell him that we can. That must be Mr. JC. I'll go at the door since he sent me the text. Hi, Mr. JC. Okay, thanks. Bye. Mr. JC's bird cage sure is heavy. At least he left us with a set of instructions.
I'm your best friend.
Ooh, they're pretty cute, and they can talk. I heard this one's Sammy and this one's Snowflake. Kit, I think you'll like these ones. Oh, hey, Snowflake. Are you kidding me? Even birds make fun of my shoes. Get it out of my sight. Oh, you want to play? Okay. Okay, what do you guys want to do?
I want to sing.
You want to sing?
I want to dance.
And you want to dance. Okay. Oh, hi, Sammy.
Hi, Ellen.
Wow, you know my name. Hey, Snowflake. I don't know if I can bake bird treats. Okay, I don't think I can bake bird treats, but I'll try. Hey guys, what do you say?
I'm hungry.
What do you say?
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're both hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay. You have your bird seed in there. How about you eat that?
I want
Real food? I'll see what I can find. I couldn't find much. How does this look? Oh, you like it. Here, Snowflake, you can have crackers. I didn't know crackers were your favorite.
Oh no, you can smell my crackers.
What's so bad about giving her crackers?
She does not after she eats them.
Uh-oh, it's already starting. Oh no, we better find somewhere to hide. Kit! I'll be under the bed. We've got to stop this bird. I know, she's going crazy. I'll catch her. I'm an animal expert. Gotcha. No. Let me try since you failed. She always finds a way out. Here I come, Snowflake. Got her. Are you kidding me, Snowflake? What are we gonna do now? I don't know. Kit, she's our only hope. Kit, you have to help us. Yeah, come on, Kit, please. Okay, fine, I'll do it. I need to help everyone. There he is. Just grab him, Kit. I thought it was a girl. Whatever. I got her, and she's not even escaping. Yay! Let's put her back in the cage. There, cute little quiet birds again. Hey, how come Kit always saves us? I know, she saved us when the mouse ran away last time. I guess that's just what she's for. Yeah, I hide, don't like the animal, and then save the day. It's my thing. What are we gonna watch next? A turtle? No, they smell. Yeah, I had to watch one once, and boy, did they stink. Well, yeah, hopefully I'll be at the bakery then. Well, it's time for these little birds to go back to Mr. JC. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know how you would have caught the birds. We'll see you guys later. Bye!